here, and I'm going to teach you how to create a channel. So first, you can actually just click on your thing and create a channel. I'm gonna call this channel the other XCat Sam. Create channel. Your channel is being created. Check back in a few moments. So now I have a channel. You can create a video, upload video if you'd like. Then it'll take you to YouTube Creator Studio, where it'll show you about all the things. You can select your files, do all that stuff. Your channel. Now you have a channel. And you can also edit the profile picture. You can do a banner and a video watermark. You can also have a channel trailer and stuff like that. This info. You can say your description. Set it to anything you want. Channel URL. Your links, and you can just like now you have your channel and you can upload videos, see your analytics by going here, research, and like you can see what videos you want to make, like Minecraft, and see what people are searching about that. Pretty cool, huh? And this earn thing is where you become a partner, and this is your requirements. So this is how to create a channel. Pretty cool, huh? Goodbye!